We are talking today to Mr. Oussama from Boehringer Ingelheim, and we are talking about a very serious concern, the awareness about the stroke in the Middle East region and the wider. Boehringer Ingelheim has been a key player in the cardiovascular health. How is the company addressing the growing burden of heart strokes in the UAE and the Near East region?
Thank you so much for your question. As you know, we're one of major players when it comes to the stroke. We have been operating in this field since long time. And honestly, we're proud about having UAE as the first country to launch a new medication related to the stroke. It is a journey that we have started a long time ago. So we have signed an MOU with the Department of Health in Abu Dhabi in order to raise the awareness. What you're doing today actually is part of this journey also. So as I mentioned before, we're counting on your voices because sharing facts is something, but at the same time, empowering the people to act and to recover is something else. So this is the other point. And also we do have many initiatives throughout this year in order to raise the awareness.
We also wanted to talk about what are the new latest innovations which are happening in the prevention and the treatment of stroke. There is definitely a lot of innovations in the last few years which has happened. So what are the latest innovations which you are bringing in this field?
Actually, as I mentioned before, we're a multinational company driven by research and innovation. And we're spending more than 20% of our total turnover in order to come up with innovative medication supporting the patient to feel better and live longer. When it comes to the stroke, actually, we're doing a lot of research and we have just launched recently a new medication that will support the patient. So it's a journey also when it comes to bringing a new innovative medication. We have started and we're really proud to have UAE number one, the first country in the Middle East to launch this medication.
That's really interesting. Could you also elaborate on the role of Boehringer Ingelheim anticoagulant therapies in reducing the risk of ischemic stroke, and how are these being positioned in the region?
Actually, it's positioned very well. We're working hand in hand with Minasso. We're working hand in hand with Dr. Suhail in order not only to raise the awareness, but also we have some sort of initiative to educate the physicians, to support the staff. And by this, we're uplifting the capabilities in coordination with the physicians across the area. And by this, actually, we're giving back to the community and we're supporting them in order to support the patient.
With a high prevalence of risk factors such as diabetes, hypertension, and obesity in the Middle East, how is Boehringer Ingelheim aligning its cardiovascular and stroke prevention strategies for these healthcare challenges?
Actually, we've been in this field since long time. And we do have many medication related to the cardiovascular. And recently also, we have launched medication that will support the cardiorenal metabolic patients. And therefore, this is also something we're proud of, that we're not only supporting the physicians to treat the patient, but also we're supporting the patient themselves throughout raising the education and the awareness.
Can you share more insights about the patient-centric approach to managing the stroke risk, particularly in terms of education, adherence support, and also the digital health tools?
Yeah, actually, this is, as I mentioned, it's a journey. We had a discussion with the health authorities across the Middle East area and also here in UAE, where we think that we are partner. And since we are partner, we do have responsibility and they do have responsibility. So we're doing our best in order to support them throughout many channels, one of them the digital one. And also we do believe that the media play a very important role. And that's why we do have this. This is the first stroke academy in UAE in partnership with Dr. Suhail and also with the support of the media people.
Congratulations on that.
Yeah, thank you so much. We really appreciate your help. And again, actually, we do believe that your role is crucial because alone with the support of authorities, we cannot do everything. We need the support of the social media people, the influencer, in order to take it to the next step.
Absolutely. Rightly said. Coming back, looking ahead, how do you envision, your company's role in evolving the fight against these cardiovascular diseases and stroke in the region for next 5 years?
Our purpose is transforming lives for generations. So that's why we're spending, as I mentioned, more than 5 billion euro annually in order to come up with a new medication. So, and we're really proud about having a very strong pipeline focusing on different therapeutic area, be it cardiorenal, metabolic, oncology, inflammatory, and stroke, where we have launched a new medication, and definitely we're working in order to come up with another good medications in the future.
Thank you so much for sharing these insights with us. And we are here to create awareness for this cause and assist you in anything else.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.